Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to set up a Notion MCP that you can connect to any LLM. So for this tutorial I'm going to use Claude Desktop as the main LLM. Having this MCP is helping you to interact with the Notion quite easy. You can update your documents, you can ask questions from the LLM about your documents, you can delete the pages and so on. So let's start. For the first part, we need to set up an integration in the Notion. So I'm going to leave all of the necessary link that you need later under the video. So here I can include a new integration. First, let's assign a name to the integration and then specify the workspace. And the type, let's leave as internal. So let's go to the configuration because here you can see what are the capabilities of this integration, which is modifying or reading or inserting the content. There are other capabilities that you can add, but let's leave it at the moment. Just to show you what I have in my workspace, under the Welcome to Notion, I have a trips document that under it there is Tokyo and best places to see in 2025. And in the Tokyo page, it's just about what to see in Tokyo and what you can do there. We have to include also the access. As you can see, it is giving us an error that your integration doesn't have access to any pages yet. So let's go and select some page. You can select multiple, but at the moment I leave just welcome to Notion page. I'm updating the access, and what I have to do is to include the configuration of my MCP server in cloud. In order to do that, you have to go to the cloud, go to the file, setting, developer, edit config, and here you can see a config file that we have to update. What we have to include is this configuration that I'm going to leave the link as well. So let's paste the configuration, and what we have to include is the authorization key. For the authorization key, we can get it from our configuration integration secret. Let's copy and let's paste it here. There we go. Let's restart the cloud. Normally I kill the cloud as the program in order to be sure that everything is set up quite correctly. So let me load again cloud. There we go. Just to be sure that your MCP server is already there. There you go. I have the Notion API as the MCP server. So let's come here and ask use Notion MCP server to create a new page and include content about Atin, what to see and what to do. So there we go. Let's see, I will help you create a new page. First, let me search for some current information. So it's searching the web in order to get some information about Atin attractions and activities. So it seems that it is able to connect to the Notion. It doesn't give any error. Let me try to a further search to find any existing page. I can see there is a 3 page, which would be perfect as a parent, which is really good. So it seems that it's creating the page, including the title. Great, let me add an icon to the page. And let me add comprehensive content about the audience to the page. So it seems it's working. Meanwhile, maybe I can go there and it's possible that we are already something. Here we are. We are having a new page with the title and the information. So let's see. It is still adding information there. We can, yeah, come back here and everything is updated. As you can see, you can include new contents, you can ask questions about your documents, and this is a way to interact maybe more easier with your Notion documents. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed it and see you soon.